You are my hiding place and my shield. I hope in your word. And now abide faith, hope, love, these three, but the greatest of these is love. And not only that, but we also glory in tribulations, knowing that tribulation produces perseverance, and perseverance, character, and character, hope. Let us hold fast the confession of our hope without wavering, for he who promised is faithful. Be of good courage, and he shall strengthen your heart, all you who hope in the Lord. But if we hope for what we do not see, we eagerly wait for it with perseverance. Therefore I will look to the Lord, I will wait for the God of my salvation, my God will hear me.